Welcome to this installation guide for Isaac Lab. Head to the official GitHub repository for Isaac Lab and download the zip file. We are setting up Isaac Lab, which is a unified and modular framework for robot learning that aims to simplify common workflows in robotics research. Once it is downloaded, you can extract it to home location, renaming it to Isaac Lab. Let's continue with the installation process. Open a terminal, cd Isaac Lab. NVIDIA provides a helper executable isaac-lab.sh which provides utilities to manage extensions. Type the command and press enter to see the usage. Next step is to install dependencies using apt. Sudo apt install CMake build essential. Next we need to run the install command that iterates over all the extensions in source directory and installs them using pip. Use the command /isaac-lab.sh-install. Verify the installation using the following command. This will launch the simulator and display a window with a black viewport. Type the command and press enter. You can now use Isaac Lab to train a robot through reinforcement learning. There are predefined workflows which you can use. Execute the following command to train an ant to walk using reinforcement learning. You can add --headless for faster training. In the coming videos, we'll explain the workflow in detail. You can use another command where a robot learns to control its velocity on rough terrain using the power of Isaac Gym simulation environment. The robot named Animal is learning to walk in an Isaac Gym simulation environment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like button and subscribe for more robotics and AI content. Thank you.